Good morning children. I hope class 8 children are watching this video and I hope you must be keeping well. Already we have started cubes and cube roots, and in last class we had seen exercise 4a. I hope you must have done in your notebook, and that must be done if you have not done. So it was told that next day we will start new topic, and our new topic is shortcut method for finding the cube of a 2-digit number. I hope you must have revised, you must have seen, and we will see exercise 4b as well. So let's start. Here you have shortcut method for finding the cube of a 2-digit number. We have a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. That I think you might be knowing. Suppose if any number you have in the form of a plus b, and if a plus b whole cube you will find out, it means what will you do? You will multiply a plus b into 3 times, like this. So if you will multiply, what you will get? If you will multiply, you will get a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. If you are multiplying a plus b into a plus b into a plus b, you will get a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So that is required to be remembered. Nothing is required to be done, just you need to remember. For finding the cube of a 2-digit number with the tens digit a and the units digit b, we make 4 columns headed by a cube, 3a square b, 3ab square and b cube. So 4 column is required to be made, but you need to assume a as a tens digit number and b as a unit digit number. Now 4 columns you need to make. In first column you will be having a cube, then 3a square b, 3ab square and b cube, and then you need to put the number. Here you see the rest of the procedure is the same as followed in squaring a number by the column method. We simplify the working as it has been given. So already in squares and square roots you have seen how it to be found out. The same rule is required to be applied. Here you see with one example so that you will understand in better way. Suppose 29 cube you have. 29 cube you have. It means a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 9 you have. Now here a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 9. 3 columns have been made. Here a cube, 3a square b, 3ab square and b cube. Now what is needed to be done? We need to find out a cube first. So a cube, if you are finding out, a cube means what? A cube means 2 cube. A cube means 2 cube, means 2 into 2 into 2. It means 8. So 8 has been written. Here you see 8 has been written. Next you have 3a square b. It means what? 3 into a square. A square means 2 square into b. B means what? 9. It means 3 into 4 into 9. It means 12 into 9, and that is 108. So that has been written, 108. Then you have 3ab square. 3ab square means 3 into 2 into 9 square. It means 3 2 just 6 into 81, and this will be 6 1 just 6 and 4 8 just 48. 486. You see 486 you have got. And then you have b cube. B cube means what? 9 cube. 9 cube means what? 9 into 9 into 9. It means 81 into 9, and that will be 9 1 ja 9 and 9 8 ja 72. 729 you have got. Now what is to be done? Here you see 729 you have got. this first digit, unit digit, is required to be underlined. Next you see what numbers are left. Suppose you are left with 72. This 72 is required to be added on this number 486. So 72 has been added. Just you see 6 and 2 8 you have got, 8 and 7 15, 4 and 1 5, 558 you have got. Again this ones digit is required to be underlined, and you have now 55. This 55 is required to be carried forward here and should be added. So if you are adding 108 and 55, you have got 163. Again ones digit is required to be underlined, and this 16 is required to be taken over here and it is required to be added. So 8 and 16 you have got 24, and at last what digit you have got, that is required to be underlined. So finally you have got 2 4 3 8 and 9. So this is the cube of 29. 29 cube means 29 into 29 into 29 will be 24,389, and this is the shortcut method. So simply what is needed to be done, if two digits are there like 29, we have assumed a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 9. In this type of column is required to be made a square 3a cube 3a square b 3ab square and b cube, and then value is required to be put as I have made you understand. In this way these values are required to be put, and you need to find out the product. And after getting product, here we need to start. Ones digit is required to be underlined, the rest of the digit is required to be carried forward here and required to be added, and again ones digit is required to be underlined, rest of the digit is required to be carried forward here and is required to be added, again ones digit is required to be underlined, rest of the digits are required to be added over here, and finally what digit you are getting, that should be underlined, and those all underlined digits will be your required number. Here you see next example has been given. Find the value of 71 cube by the shortcut method. Again the same thing is required to be done. If 71 you have a is equal to 7 and b is equal to 1. So you need to find out a cube. So your a cube will be, a cube just you see, that will be 7 cube. It means 7 into 7 into 7. It means 49 into 7, and this will be 343. That you have got 343. Now a cube you have got 3a square b. 3a square b. It means 3 into a square means 7 square into b means 1. It means 3 into 49 into 1, and finally you will get 3 9 ja 27, 2 you have, 3 4 ja 12 and 2, 12 and 2 will be 14, 147. So this you have got. Then you have 3ab square. In the same way you put 3 into 7 into 1. This will be 3ab square. So this you will get 21. 21 you have got, and b cube is equal to 1 into 1 into 1, it means 1. This you have got. So your products are 343, 147, 21 and 1. This is required to be underlined. One digit only you have, so no other rest digits you have. Next you see 21 you have, so one's digit is required to be underlined. You have rest digit 2 is required to be carried forward, it is required to be added. You have got 149. One's digit has been underlined, you have got 14 over here left. 14 is required to be added on this, you have got 357. At last what digit you are getting, that should be underlined together. So finally you have got 3 5 7 9 1 1, and this is the cube of 71. So in this way this is required to be done. So I hope you understood and you will be able to solve exercise 4b. Just you see 25 cube you have. So if you need to find out 25 cube, how we will solve? You see 25 cube you need to find out. So again here you have a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 5. So a cube we will find, then 3a square b, 3ab square and a b cube we will find out, and here we will put the value. So just you see, first we will find out a cube. So a cube will be 2 cube, it means 2 into 2 into 2, it means 8 you have got. 8 you have got over here. Then 3a square b, it means 3 into 2 square into 5, and this will be 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 5 ja 60. So this you have got 60, and then you need to find out 3ab square. 3ab square means 3 into 2 into 5 square, it means 3 2 ja 6 and 5 5 ja 25. 25 into 6, it means 150. So this you will get 150, and then you will have b cube. B cube is equal to 5 into 5 into 5, and that is equal to 125. This you have got 125. Now what is to be done? One's digit is required to be underlined over here, and rest of the digits 12 is required to be carried forward over here. So this will be, this you see, this will become 12, and this will required to be added. So this is 2, 6 and 1. Again one's digit is required to be underlined. 16 will be carried forwarded, so this will be 16, and that you add 6 and 7. One's digit is required to be underlined, and then 7 you are left with, so 7 is required to be taken over here, and this will become 15. So finally this is required to be underlined. So what you have got? You have got 25 cube. 25 cube is equal to 1 5, 6, 2 and 5, and this is your answer. So I hope you understood by this way this is required to be solved. 15,625. So next we will see 47 cube you have, 68 cube you have, and 84 cube you have. I think you will be able to solve. One question I am solving, rest 2 questions you need to solve. 47 cube you see, how we will find out. 47 cube, again the same thing is required to be done. A is equal to 4 and b is equal to 7, and here we will write a cube, 3a square b, 3ab square and b cube. Now we need to find out first a cube. So a cube will be equal to 4 cube, it means 4 into 4 into 4, it means 4 4 ja 16, 4 ja 64. So this you have got. Then we need to find out 3a square b, it means 3 into 4 square into 7, and this will be 4 4 ja 16, 16 3 ja 48 into 7, it means 7 8 ja 56, 7 4 ja 28 and 5 33. So you will get 3 3 6. Then next you have 3ab square, it means 3 into 4 into 7 square. It means 12 into 49, and this will be 12 9 ja 108. 10 you have, 12 4 ja 48, and 10 58. So 5 8 8. B cube means 7 cube, it means 7 into 7 into 7, and this will be 49 into 7, and this will be 7 9 ja 63, 7 4 ja 28, and 6 34, 343. Now what is to be done? Again, ones digit is required to be underlined. You have underlined this. 34 is left. 34 is required to be brought over here. Just you add this. What you will get? 12, 8 and 3, 11 and 1, 12, and this is 6. So again this is required to be underlined, and this 62 is required to be written over here, required to be added. 6 and 2 8, this is 9, and this is 3. This ones digit is required to be underlined, and 39 is required to be written here and required to be added. So this is 13, 6 and 3 9, and 1 10, and at last this is required to be underlined. So finally what you have got, 47 cube is equal to, you will write 103 8 2 3, and this will be your answer. So in this way we need to find out cube of any given number by this shortcut method. Rest of the questions, only 2 questions you have. In the same way you need to find out 68 cube and 84 cube. I think you will be able to do. So up to here each and every question must be there in your notebook, and next day we will start cube roots. So just you go through. Until then, thank you.